Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. There's something special about the smell of fresh cut pine or the smooth grain of a piece of oak. Wood is not just a building material, it's a connection to nature. When we bring wood into your home, we are bringing in warmth, history, and a sense of calm. Today we are looking at woodcrafts designs that do three things. They inspire the makers, they appeal to the buyer, and the most importantly, they feel like home. You don't need a massive workshops or expensive CNC machines to create something beautiful. You just need a good eye for functions and a little bit of heart. Let's start in the kitchen. This is the room will like happens, and it's the best place to start selling your crafts. Forget the perfectly squares, plaskets, boards. People's want characters. The simple slabs of walnuts or maple sanded until it feels like silk and finished with food safe mineral oil is a masterpiece. It's functional art. This is a great project for beginners. It's a slim, beautiful piece of wood that hides strong neodymium magnet inside. It's clearly up a counter space and looks incredible high end. Don't just cut squares, add a lip or a tip cloth to catch condensations. Bundles them in sets of four with a simple twinkle ribbons. It's a low cost items that feels like a luxury gifts. Next, let's talk about organizations. A home feels most peaceful when everything has its place. Instead of messy hooks, try cutting a thin curve, a narrow slot into a block of wood. Keys slide right in and stay there. It's modern and sleek and takes up almost no space. With more people working from home, the clutter's desk is a common enemy. Simple interlocking wooden trays and for pens, fonts, and mills are huge sellers. Use contrasting wood like light birch and dark walnut to give it that designer's look without the designer's difficulty. These are much simpler than full bookshelves. They are U-shaped channels that allows people to lean art and photos to against the wall. They are lightweight to shape and fit into any decor styles from farmhouse to industrial something. Sometimes the best selling items are the ones that serve on no purpose others than making a room feel cozy. Beams and sand them down and drill a hole for a tea light. The imperfections, the crack, and the knot are what makes these feel like home. They sail best in seats of tree or wetting hides a simple wooden cube with a slot of top. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.